Hello and welcome to Capstone 4, location southeastern Alaska. The threat to eastern Alaskan coast has become an issue that can be comparable to that of urban areas, where an increase in the Abalelo due to a shorter frost season is causing a change in the surrounding environment as well as extended dry seasons. The real threat that faces Boreal region of Alaska is that after the green season there will be a flood which washes all the nutrient soil away. The area is vulnerable because, as we see temperatures increase as an unpredictable carbon uptake from the air is holding more and more moisture. This increase in moisture can negatively affect the vegetation by lengthening the frost-free season. The longer the frost-free season is, the less snowpack we will see and a decrease in the water table. The surrounding communities will need to adapt by reinforcing their infrastructure with a shorter frost. More land will be eroded each year. From mudslides to flash floods, the area can expect to see larger change than the rest of the world. The solutions to these threats is not very straightforward, seeing as we humans have minimal primary effects when it comes to solving natural issues. The answer is to turn to similar situations. In urban areas where development limits the Abaleo, similar to that of Alaska, the environments are seeing similar effects. The greater Los Angeles area can be used as an example. One solution for climate urbanization, as much as LA can be created, similar tactics can be implemented at risky regions similar to this.